In today's video, I'll show you how to change the primary sender email in Zoho Invoice. Whether you're updating your contact information or switching to a new email provider, this ensures your invoices are sent from the correct address, keeping communication with your clients seamless. Start by heading to the settings section in your Zoho Invoice dashboard. From there, navigate to Organization Profile, where you manage key organization details including email information. Look for the primary contact area and click the gear icon next to it. Next, select plus new sender. Here, enter the new email address and the name you want associated with it. Double check for typos to avoid any communication issues. After entering the details, save the information. Now, click Mark as Primary Contact to make this newly added email the default sender for all invoices. This ensures your clients will see the correct email in their inboxes, keeping your business communications professional. Finally, verify your new sender email. Zoho will send a confirmation link to the new email address. Check your inbox promptly and click the link to complete the verification process. And that's it. By following these steps, your Zoho invoice will send all future invoices from the correct email, keeping your records organized and your communications smooth.